What I wish I knew at 20. Buying local can change everything. Supporting local farms like 360 Farms isn't just good for you. It's great for our community. Picture this: fresh, juicy tomatoes, perfect for sauces, salads, or snacking straight from the vine. But there's more to it. When you buy from 360 Farms, you're not just getting top quality produce, you're empowering local farmers and fueling community initiatives through our 360 Albany program. And guess what? Every penny from our produce sales helps support our non-profit efforts. Here's a quick gardening tip. Tomatoes love the sun, so plant them in a sunny spot for the best crop. Simple advice, big rewards. So next time you think about where your food comes from, remember, supporting 360 Farms means investing in a healthier, stronger community. Let's grow together. Support local. Grow with 360 Albany.